In this video, I'm going to teach you about dividing with exponents. So if we have a problem like this that says simplify, express your answer as a single term using exponents. So we have this one problem, but I have several others that I'm going to go through with you to show you all the tricks you need to understand to do this. Okay, so for this one, to divide powers with the same base, subtract their exponents. So all you have to do is take this base and do 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3. So we're left with 235 to the power of 2. So let's try a few more. So we have 832 over to the power of 3 over 832 to the power of 27. Let's start with this one. So we just subtract. So 3 minus 27, we have 832 to the power of 3 minus 27. So that equals minus 25. 832 to the power of minus 25 is the same as 1 over 832 to the power of positive 25, because this is what we have here with this. And then when you convert it to this format, it becomes this. The 25 becomes positive in the denominator. Now let's go through a couple more situations where we need to understand some of the tricks involved with this. So we have 340 to the power of 0 over 340 to the power of 1. An exponent to the power of 0 equals 1. Okay, so any number to the power of 0 is going to be 1. So we have this, 1 over 340. We don't have to put the 1 here because it's implied. But we can still do this by subtracting exponents. So we do 340, 0 minus 1. 340 to the power of 0 minus 1 leaves us with 340 to the power of minus 1. But this is exactly the same, right? Because if we follow this the other way around, this will be, we can rewrite this with a negative exponent. Okay, now let's do this one. So this equals 1, like we said before, an exponent to the power of 0 equals 1. So that equals 1. And now we have 340 to the power of 1 over 1, which just leaves us with 340. But we could do this again by subtracting exponents. So we have 340 to the power of 1 minus 0, because we have 1 here and 0 here. We just subtract, okay? So that leaves us with 340. So you could do either method, whatever you feel more comfortable doing. So that's it. And don't worry if you don't understand that right away. You could rewatch the video as well. Take a look at the description. There's a link there to my ebook you could download. In the ebook, you'll find a link to this very video, and you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, in the description, I have links to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar to this. If you need extra help, you could check those out. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.